So they just released new super coupons here today on February 2nd, and you do have until February 16th for these deals to use the super coupons. And I will be sure to put a link in the description directly to the coupon page of their website. So you can certainly check them all out. And I'm going to go over some of the top deals they are offering. And I'm starting off with the Fortress 200 psi 27-gallon air compressor. It does have dual ports to it and is rated at 1.6 horsepower. It is normally priced at 400 bucks. With the coupon, you can save $50 on that, so it's only 350 bucks. They do have another compressor option. It's by McGraw, the 20-gallon, 135 psi. It does take oil. It's a vertical shop auto air compressor. This does have one single air port to it, and this is normally priced at 250 bucks. And with the coupon, you can save $40, so it's only 210 bucks. They do have a deal on the Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile floor jack. It does have a max height of 19 and 7/8 and minimum height of 3 and 1/8 inch with a dual rapid pump and extra wide casters. This is normally priced at 170 bucks. With the coupon, you can save $30 on that, making it 140. This was the same jack they recently had on the parking lot sale for 100 bucks. Just so you're aware of that. The next deal is on the Pittsburgh 1,500-pound steel ATV motorcycle lift. It does have a max height of 16 and 3/8 inch, minimum height of 4 and 3/4 inch, and it does have 4 lockable heights to it as well. This is normally priced at 140 bucks. With the coupon, you can save $30 on that, making it 110. They do have good savings on this Storehouse ATM mini blade fuse set. It's 60 pieces, and these are the pieces that it does come with. So it's 10 pieces of each of the different amps of fuses. It is normally priced at 10 bucks. With the coupon, you can save 35%, making it $6.49. And you do have a limit of 4 you can get with this coupon. And the next good deal is on the battery operated liquid transfer pump. It does pump over 6 quarts per minute, and you can pump gas, water, oil, non-corrosive liquids. This is a good pump. I used to have one many years ago, and it did good for pumping gas. So it is normally priced at $13.49. And with the coupon, you can save 40%, making it only 8 bucks. Good deal on that. And you do have a limit of 4 you can get with this coupon. And how about saving 60 bucks on this Pittsburgh 20-ton air hydraulic bottle jack? It does have a max height of 19 and 7/8 inch and a minimum height of 10 and a quarter inch. It is rated at 300 psi max. It is normally priced at 160 bucks. And like I said, you can save $60 on that with the coupon, making it 100 bucks. Good deal on that, and it's a limit of 1. And they have a decent deal on this Viking 250 amp engine start, and it's a wheeled battery charger, engine starter, and alternator tester. So it does have integrated clamps in that, and it'd be good for lead acid, standard gel, marine, AGM, and deep cycle batteries. It is rated up to a V6 3.5 liter engine start for gasoline and diesel up to 2.4 liter. So just be aware of that. It is only priced at 230 bucks, and with the coupon you can save $37, making it $193. And they do have a coupon on the Daytona 12-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. It does have a max height of 30 and a quarter inch, minimum height of 19 and 7/8 inch, and it has a locking mobility pin and solid steel panels. It is only priced at $160, and with a coupon you can save $15 on that. It's making it 145 bucks. It's not the best savings in the world, but they don't have many deals on these 12-ton jacks, so better saving 15 than nothing at all. And the next deal is on the Predator Super Quiet Inverter 2000 watt generator. It is rated at 2000 max starting watts and 1600 running watts. It does have 2 of the AC ports, and those appear to be 20 amp plugs on that. It is rated at a 12-hour runtime and only 58 decibels, and it weighs just 49 pounds. This is normally priced at 575 bucks, and with the coupon you can save 50 bucks on that, making it 550. Well, based on the coupon, it says it's normally $600, so saving 50. Whereas in this store, it's currently priced at 575 on clearance. So maybe check your store. But regardless, the coupon price would be 550 bucks. Another generator deal is on the Predator 8750 watt inverter generator. It's rated at 7000 running watts, 15-hour runtime, and is at 75 decibels. Does have a easy electric start. Does come with these different plugs, even a couple USB ports as well that are 5-volt rated. This is only priced at 1200 bucks. With the coupon, you can save $200 off, making it $1,000. Another deal they have, but they don't have on display here. It's on the Predator 600-watt power station. So it's the bigger version of this one here. This is the 350-watt portable power station. So on the 600-watt version, you can save $50 on that, making it $400. It's normally priced at $450, and it does have a 512 watt hour capacity to it. They do have a good deal on the Quinn 7-inch diagonal cutters. So it's ideal for all types of cutting. It does have the comfort grip handles for non-slip usage and hardened cutting edges that stay sharp longer. It is only priced at $8. And with the coupon, you can save 37% on that, making it $5. It's a pretty good deal. And you do have a limit of 4 that you can actually get with this coupon if you wanted. And the next good deal is on the Doyle electrician shears. It's rated at cutting between 10 to 22 AWG cutting capacity, 50% less cutting force required. It does have a nice cushion handle to it, and it's serrated stainless steel blade. So it's great at cutting cables and electric wiring. It does come with a lifetime guarantee and even has a cover for the shears as well. Here's what the back of it looks like. I do recommend having a pair of electrician shears. I have a different brand and they've been great. So I imagine these oil ones are probably just as good. This is normally priced at $15, and with the coupon, you can save 33% on that, making it $10. And you do have a limit of 3 you can actually get with this coupon. And the next deal is on the Vanguard 10-foot 16 gauge extension cord. So it's nice and short. This is rated for medium use, being that it's 16 gauge, indoor and outdoor, and it is normally priced at $8. And with the coupon, you can save 28% on that, so priced at $5. And the next coupon deal is on the Armstrong 37-inch to 70-inch large tilt flat panel TV mount. So it has a 175-pound capacity. It does tilt forward 12 degrees, so it won't extend out from the wall like they have as another option from Armstrong, where you can tilt it in any direction. So this would be more fixed to the wall. It is normally priced at $23, and with the coupon, you can save 34% on that, making it $15. And the next coupon deal is on the Icon 2100 lumen rechargeable floodlight. This is the one that you can also add to the Icon under hood light bar. They have it has a maximum of 2 lights you can add to that, and this one in particular does come with 1 light. So this would be the other light you can get for that kit, or just have this as a standalone light if you wanted. It does have a strong magnetic base to it, and it rotates 360 degrees. It's also water, dust, and impact resistant. And I'll turn it on here. It's definitely bright, 2100 lumens, and it has the different modes to it as well, which it has the 2100 lumens on high, 1000 for medium, and 280 on low. And those are the different run times based on those different lumens. It does recharge by USB-C cable, which makes it nice. This is normally priced at $55, and with the coupon, you can save 12% on that, making it $48. And there's a limit of 2 that you can get with it. Obviously, it's not the best deal compared to the previous deals they recently had on the Icon lights. And the next coupon deal is on the Bauer 1800 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute electric pressure washer. A 20-foot hose. It weighs just 15 pounds, and it does have a soap siphon hose as well. It is normally priced at $100, and with the coupon, you can save $20 on that, making it $80, which is not going to be the best deal compared to recent time of the parking lot sale where it was $69. And the next deal is on the 80-volt Atlas blower. It's rated at 605 CFM, 150 miles per hour. So it has a variable speed trigger, including a turbo button. It is tool only, priced at $75 normally. And with the coupon, you can save 20% on that, making it $60. And another Atlas tool option on the coupon deal, you can save $40 on this Atlas 80-volt 10-inch cultivator. It does have 1,800 strikes per minute, and it includes 8-inch flat-free tires there in the back. And it has a 10-inch max tilling width, 5-inch max tilling depth, and obviously electric start. So it is rated at 80 volt, tool only. It's normally priced at $180. So like I mentioned, you can save $40 on that. So it's priced at $150. And another Atlas item they have on a coupon deal, the 80-volt 16-inch brushless string trimmer. It does have the bump feed line control, 14 to 16-inch cut width. It also features a rapid reload head, which makes it nice. It is tool only as well. and that's normally priced at only $80. Pretty good deal for a string trimmer already. With the coupon, you can save 12% on that, making it 70 bucks. And another Atlas option is on the 80 volt 10-inch brushless pole saw. It does have a 10-inch bar and chain. It does extend up to 9 feet, and it has an automatic chain oiler. And this is normally priced at 90 bucks. And with the coupon, you can save $10 on that, so it's priced at $80. And of course, the Atlas tools, you do need a battery since they're sold tool only. They do have a deal on this Atlas dual voltage battery, so it is rated at 2.5 amp hour for 80 volt and 5 amp hour for 40 volt, and it is normally priced at 140 bucks. And with the coupon, you can save 40 bucks on that, making it $100, and it is a limit of one. And they do have a coupon deal on the Meguiar's Detailer Hyper Wash car wash solution. So it's 1 gallon. It's normally priced at 32 bucks. And with the coupon, you can save 15% on that, making it $27. And they brought back another deal on the Bauer drywall sander. So it's a 9-inch variable speed drywall sander. It does range from 600 to 1500 reps per minute. It also includes like a vacuum hose for dust extraction, and it does extend to a total of 5 feet. It even includes a built-in LED light ring to make easy sanding and see where you have to sand, an automatic dust collection, and then the padding on itself is a hook and loop 9-inch one. This is normally priced at 150 bucks. And with the coupon, you can save $50 on that, making it 120. So here again, there's another price discrepancy. On the coupon, it does say it's normally 170, whereas in this store it's 150. But regardless, it's going to be priced at 120. And they do have a deal on the Hercules surface conditioning tool. It does have a 4.5-inch drum diameter and 6-speed control dial and a lock-on trigger. It does include a 40 grit drum included in it, which they don't have it on display here. This is normally priced at 140 bucks. And with the coupon, you can save $20, making it 120, a limit of one. And here, just to give you an idea of the different drums that they do offer for this tool. So they have a surface conditioning drum for buffing, for finishing with 240 grit, stripping at 120 grit, 60 grit for finishing, and another 40 grit for stripping. And they have a coupon on the Bauer 1.25 horsepower variable speed trim router. It does have a 1/4-inch collet, and it ranges from 10 to 30,000 RPM and a max depth cut of 1.5 inches. It is normally priced at 60 bucks, and with the coupon you can save 16% on that, making it $50, so it's $10 off. And the next deal is on the Hercules 11 amp deep cut variable speed bandsaw. It does have a cut capacity of 5-inch by 5-inch. It does offer easy blade change in 6-speed dial. It does have a lightweight frame to it. Now they do have it mounted in this universal bandsaw benchtop stand, and then the normal price for this is $180, and with the coupon you're going to save $30 on that, so it's $150, limit of one. And then if you wanted to also pick up the Hercules Universal Portable Bandsaw Benchtop Stand, that is normally priced at $120. And the next deal is on the Bauer Premium Auto Detailing Accessory Kit. It does include all these different fittings along with the flexible hose. It is normally priced at 30 bucks. With the coupon, you can save 33% on that, making it $20. And there is a limit of 3 that you can get with this coupon. And the next deal is on the Hallmaster 10-inch pneumatic tire. Black hub to it. It's normally priced at 9 bucks. It does have a working load of 300 pounds, and it's ideal for uneven terrain. They even say that it is repairable as well. With the coupon, you can save 33% on that, making it $5.99. And the next deal is on the Hercules Extreme Duty Job Site Backpack. It is normally priced at 140 bucks. And with the coupon, you can save $30 with that, so it's priced at 120 and a limit of one. And open up the front pocket here so you get an idea. It does feel like a felt kind of material. Here's the other front pocket. So it's just a regular pocket with no tool organizer in it. It does have a side pocket as well as a clip for a tape measure, and another side pocket right here that is a little bit adjustable with elastic bands on it. Here's what the back looks like with the straps. And then here's the main tool compartment here, which has another pocket, a zippered pocket, as well as other deeper pockets down here with a flap that also closes. So on the front part, it does have 2 mesh zippered compartments. There's another pull handle here. You pull that forward to the additional tool storage they have in this backpack. And it does have it on both sides as well. So you can definitely keep a lot of tools organized in this thing. It does feel like a decent quality. especially for the price of 120. I wouldn't say it's Vito bag quality, but it's not the Vito bag price either. And the next deal's on the Hercules 17-inch tool tote with 19 total pockets. So it is an open tool tote that you can put a lot of tools there on the inside there. And it does have the side tool pockets as well. And then a nice hard handle as well. This is normally priced at $37. And with the coupon, you can save 24% on that, making it 28 bucks. The next deal is on a US General 56-inch by 22-inch top chest. They don't have one here on display, but with this coupon, you can save $50 off, making it 550 bucks. And that is available in the 9 colors, including the new purple. And they have a decent savings on the Hercules 15 amp 12.5-inch portable thickness planer. It does have 4-post locking head, a turret depth stop, and it's a 3-knife cutter head to it as well. And it does cut at 96 cuts per inch. This is normally priced at 400 bucks. And with a coupon, you can save 50 bucks on that, making it $350. All right, that's going to be the top deals I'm going to cover in this video for the super coupons they just released. Again, you have until February 16th for these deals. And like I said, I'll put a link down in the description below if you want to check out the remaining deals they have online. And you can save them to your phone through the app as well and use your phone. And they can scan your phone coupons. That way you don't have to bring physical coupons in the store. All right, so if you gained value from this video, I appreciate it that you give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device, as well as subscribing to the channel. That way you're notified of new tool deal videos that I do here in the future. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.